I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or want to learn how to save money on a low income budget for the future or just save money in general, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all could be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we are back with another Roll and Save randomizer. And again, I'm on a low income budget, so I only have $10 that I can cash stuff for my birthday next year, June 23rd. So before we get started, we're going to count the money and make sure it is accurate. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. So now we're just going to go ahead and roll this dice and see which envelope we can cash stuff first. So it's envelope number 6, which is shopping. So that's going to get $1. 6 again, going to get another $1. I'll do that one more time. 6 again, another $1. I don't know. Let me do this one more time. Let me roll it. I got to make sure. Okay. Number 1, birthday, is going to get $1. 5 is going to get $1. So that is what? Self-care. 1 again, so that's birthday. I'm going to get $1. 5 again, which is self-care. Going to get $1. 1 again, that is birthday. Going to get $1. 2, which I believe is hair, going to get $1. 4, so that's 3, 4, which is perfume, which has now gotten $1. So now what we're going to do, although we weren't able to fill every single envelope, we're still going to see how much we were able to cash stuff and then see how much money we have saved in the binder overall. So for birthday, we were able to save $3. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $79 in birthday. For hair, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $69. For nails, we weren't able to stuff anything, but we're going to count it anyways. So we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $39 in nails. For perfume, we were able to save $1. So now we have 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $37. For self-care, we were able to save $2. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $77 for self-care. For shopping, we were able to save $3. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2. $62 for shopping. So that is all for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.